So today, guys, I found this video and it's motorbike ignores police roadblock on highway patrol hazard response. So guys, let's see this motorbike ignoring this roadblock. I mean, bro, this is going to be crazy. I think this is on the Autobahn, right? I'm not too sure. Don't get my word on that. So yeah, let's watch it. Let's find out. And yeah, I feel like it's going to be a good one. So stay tuned till the end, guys. So where is the roadblock? We gotta find that first. Okay, we see the police right there. What is that sound? Hang on a minute, so I see what's going on here. So the police officer is literally like holding the lane more back, like so they drive behind the police. And I'm guessing a motorbike's just gonna speed right through. Let's see. He's going like zigzags, you see? Like not letting anyone go past. This is crazy, look at that. Guys, they literally open the doors as well, like while they're driving. Let's see how it turns out. I mean, never seen something like this before, honestly. Open the doors while driving as well. Well, there must be something on the road, like they're clearing it for some reason. Oh, look at all that traffic though. Look at all that traffic, that's crazy. Like, what is the reason behind this, bro? Oh, he got out? He got out of the car? What is that? Here's the motorcycle. He's just gonna go, right? He's just gonna go. Bro, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, though, bro. Like, what are these police officers gonna do now? Like, he's just off, bro. He's dead off. Wait a minute. Are they actually gonna chase him? I think that it seems like there was maybe an accident and the road is like filled with stuff and they had to clear it. Something like that, I'm guessing. Yeah, you see? It seems like there was a some sort of accident on the highway here. But that motorcycle just totally ignored them. I don't know why he would do that. What do you think? Why would he just ignore them? Like maybe he was in a rush or something? I don't know. You see the trailer there, it seems to be a bit not like in perfect condition, so that's probably why. The ambulance on the other lane as well. But bro, seriously, that is some sort of traffic they have caused. I would not like to be waiting in that, bro. I'm guessing none of us would, because that is crazy, bro. Just look at that. Just look at that. Yeah. So they had to clear the road here. Okay, it seems like the tire of this truck probably exploded and there were like pieces all over the place. But at least like the police officers got here, managed to remove all the tires from the road. But wow, bro. Yeah. Enjoy firefighting. So guys, what did you think of that? Should we see that part again? I want to see that part again. So here he is. The police officer, as soon as he goes to his vehicle, you see the motorcycle just off we go. Bro, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Guys, I would love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. Let me know like why you think this guy actually did this and totally ignored the police. I have no idea. But yeah, very, very interesting. I'm guessing this is the Autobahn, right? I mentioned it in the beginning, but I'm not too sure yet, so let me know as well in the comments. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed and like the video, subscribe to the channel. That really does help me like grow. It really supports me. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.